that it's centered so good under there that I wouldn't have to worry about CG so much. So that's what why I haven't done it.
25% 0.
It didn't take anything.
Oh, no. I get to get by and I just keep going up, turning.
All right, let's do the first pass because I don't like all that hanging out the back.
Shoot deployed.
Yeah.
50. Percent.
Oh, he died.
It's a bomb.
Oh, was it a bomb? Okay, I thought it's parachute. There's parachute.
Time
okay.
remaining 6 minutes.
Green. I think I'm gonna dip this.
Did it again.
It's probably bad enough.
50%.
Almost worth losing the plane.
ESC 14.2 volts. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Amazing the things fly that long.
Especially in this wind.
Yeah, that wind's something else.
Yeah, there's some crosswind going on today.
25%. 0. 50%. ESC 14.3 volts. ESC 14.2 volts. 25%, 50%, 0, 20, 0.
Perfect.
Set. Gear up. Limit disengaged. Time remaining 2 minutes. %. 50%. Zero throttle. 25%. 50%. 0 throttle. 50%.
Am I down to a minute?
Time remaining 1 minute 25 seconds.
All right, landing.
Gear down. 5%. 0 throttle. 25%. 0. 25%. 0 throttle. Disengage. 0 throttle. 25%. 50%. G-limit disengaged. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Did you get it?
Yep. I like to catch them when they're right by the sun.
50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. Zero throttle. 25. Zero throttle. 4, 3, 2.
I did last time.
Intercepting unidentified drone.
50%. Gear up. G-limit disengaged.
Look at that. Look at that.
I see. It was holding you. I mean, it just...
50%.
That's cool.
Time remaining 3 minutes. 50%. Zero
That's cool.
throttle.
That's cool. That's cool.
25. 50%. 50%. 50%. Zero throttle. 25%. 50%. G-limit disengaged. Zero throttle. 25 for 50%.
I don't even see where he is.
1 minute.
Where are you? Are you on the left side of the field or right?
Zero throttle. 25%.
I don't think he knows.
He doesn't.
50%.
He knows where he is
Leveling.
roughly.
50%.
All right, I'm gonna land.
50%.
Unless you need to.
50%. 27. Zero throttle. 25%. Zero throttle. 20. Zero throttle.
There you go.
50%. Gear up. 50%.
Holy crap.
It's actually pretty nice. If you got somewhere to take it off for.
Yeah, we do.
Taking it out in the ocean.
Engage.
Okay.
50%.
Landed all right, just kind of headed to the grass. They don't like the grass.
25%.
Landing, and it's just like, come on, baby. It's like I picked up a
You're up.
Good luck catching up with me.
50%. G limit disengaged. G limit disengaged. G limit disengaged. 50%. 5 remaining 4 minutes.
Alright, Johnny. Where you at? Alright. I'm coming up.
Whoops, that was sloppy. Troy.
Huh?
Look.
50%.
Oh, nice.
G limit disengaged. 50%. 50%.
Nice. Beautiful implement. They got more control now.
25%, 50%. 25%, 50%. 2, 0, 1, 0.
There you go.
25%.
That was 5 minutes, Johnny.
25%.
It does look great in the area. I might get myself the littler one because it'll fit in my car.
Well,
It will.
that van will fit the one you got.
Yeah, and the big one will fit in the van. Just gotta take the nose.
That one's been crashed.
I know, that's what I said. I gotta crash my own first.
And then I caught it the first time and I powered out of it. Second time I didn't figure it out and I cut the power and killed it.
Like, that's about as slow as you want it to go.
Yeah.
Now you cut it.
There you go.